Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Monday. It's Monday, August the 28th, 2023. We have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have a 2 stars, we have a 3 stars and a 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah, Monday, August the 28th. 2 Tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star, the Jigsaw Sudoku. And the last one is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles in the additional. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve in the evening. Yes, but first let me start with these 2 regular puzzles, the medium and the Jigsaw Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, we have great sport news. Finally we have the gold medal. Yes, the World Championship athletics gold medal. Yes, what a race. Yeah, what a race. Sensational race. Sensational. Yes. And also Max Verstappen won 9 times the Grand Prix. So a lot of sporting news, but let me start with the medium Sudoku number 69996. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, it will be a 1 star puzzle. And for a 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, no, first column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We see another 8 in this first column, so no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And we have a pair, the 5 and 8 in this column, the 5 and 8 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in this row, so no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179, 179. And look, we have 1 and 9 in this row. No 1 and 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this third column for number 7. Alright. 8, 8, okay. 5, 5. And then 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Okay. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Then 2, 7, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Here also 6 and the 7 in the second row. So one number is left. I believe the 2, yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 2. Could be there. How about these 2 missing numbers? 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Here also 2 and 7. Here we have 5 and 8. Alright, here I need 8. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. So we have 3 there. 1 number left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 and 8, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 8 goes there, and all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And no. I need a 7 here. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 2 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers, the 2 and the 3. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Wow, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes, and we solve it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do the fix so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.